Okay, so we're back on this car. So I want to go under and once the car starts to see whether I can spot where this power steering oil is looking for. And also, let me go under the car. Okay. Alright. So we'll press this sensor, this oil level sensor here. The old one was leaking before. Let me reconnect. Later we'll change the. It's not how the wire is supposed to pass. Deal with that later, but so let's see. So okay. So before now, oil was, this place was wet with oil. This pipe that comes from the wiper, from the water pump to the thermostat housing. So I'm going to monitor it to see if the oil is still dripping. And the power steering rack, I think it will be difficult to see from here. It's going to be difficult. The only way I can see it is to go back out and then stand there from the left front and see if where it's coming. Actually the oil is looking for. Okay, every other place here and that the engine is dry enough. So they didn't wash this thing, man. We'll have to wash it before I start this engine. Okay, so do that and get back to you. Okay, so yeah, this thing is broken. I'll see if we can get another one. This PCV vacuum line, so already bad. So we'll get another one. We started the engine. So he's turning the steering for me to see if we show where the liquid is. So far the rack is dry. Also that hose, hold it there. Let me see. No oil. No oil. Okay. No oil. And so I don't know, I think the monitor. So far no oil from the first and this one is black. I see this sensor. The oil of the sensor is black. So let's see. I need to go under the car. Okay. Oh my God. So far, the oil pressure sensor is dry. The other thing, the connector has a problem, so I will have to change the connector, but it's not leaking. No oil, so it's dry enough. So So far, the oil pump pipe is dry. So the first setting rack is still dry. I don't know, but why was it wet with oil before? Questions. Okay. I feel like this place. So far it's right. I was glad it's a little since we didn't clean it before. So let me look at the oil pressure, oil pump, oil line. There's no oil in the system. Wow. Man, it's dry. So I think we may have to deal with this power steering pump. The rack is dry. I hope I'm getting the oil here. There's oil. Might not be enough, but there's oil. The price is lower than the shoe. Okay, so you know what I'm going to do? Now that confirmed for so far, we're not seeing oil leak on the steering rack. So we're going to put the tires back, check it, we're going to mount that metal engine protector, then bring it back. Then we'll check the ABS. See why it's not working. This particular one has intermittent fault. It could be the bearing, that is the up bearing, or the sensor itself. It works intermittently. So we'll find out. Okay.